Welcome back, everybody. I've been working on my Axum this morning. On the end of my Rock Brother pedals, probably 3 weeks ago, this screw, the Allen screw that sets the end play on them, had fell out, and the pedals, just slide back and forth 1/4 inch or something without that on there. I found these blue anodized ones on eBay, so I went ahead and changed them both, and went ahead and put a little Loctite on them too when I put them in, so maybe this time they won't fall out. I did notice the one that hadn't fell out was fairly it wasn't loose, but it wasn't tight. It was just not even hardly snug. But so I changed them both while I was at it, and that way the blue anodizing bolts on the bolts matches. I do have probably close to 4,200 miles, something like that, on these pedals. So for the $20 or $22 or whatever they were, they have held up fairly good. But all of the Rock Brother pedals I have ran, these aluminum ones are my least favorite. They don't have a screw coming through. It's actually like a chrome cap on there, so it doesn't bite your shoes like on the plastic ones. The plastic ones I have just fantastic luck and respect for. Again, these aluminum ones have just been okay. They're not a huge upgrade from your original pedals, but they're okay. My feet slip on them way too much. If I rode this bike like I ride my Giant up in the hills, I'd probably have problems with them. So anyway, hope this helps you. If you've got a set of these, or even any set of pedals with the end cap, because that end cap sets the end play on the bearings. You might want to during the course of your bike maintenance, go ahead and just check those for tight to make sure they're in there. And like I said, I put a little green Loctite on it just to keep them from falling out if they ever did loosen up a little bit. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend, and hope you're out riding your bikes or working on them or something. I already went out and took the old Trevelle out for the 10-mile run this morning, and it's working great. I just got the 11 to 46 cassette on it, so it's got a little better hill gear, and she's coming right along. Anyway, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.